Hi.
Hi, Amanda. Thanks for inviting me here today.
No worries.
Are you ready for some questions?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, so where are we?
We're at the Cross River Rail mock-up.
Okay, and what's your role?
I'm a mechanical engineer with UGL, and we're working on the construction support for the tunnel, including the walkway, flyer, drainage, and overhead conductor.
All right, well, what are two things you love about your current role?
I love that it's always a challenge, and I'm still learning things every day. And I love that no 2 days are the same.
Yeah, okay. And what are some of the engineering challenges that you've overcome?
When things turn up on site and they don't quite work as intended, we have to come up with a way to make them work. And just the initial collaboration with all the different disciplines during design.
Yeah, I bet that can be a challenge. So did you always want to be an engineer?
No, when I was a kid, I didn't even know what engineering was. One of my teachers in grade 10 said, if you do physics, chemistry, and maths B, you can get into whatever degree you want. And then about grade 11, I decided engineering was what I wanted to do.
Very cool. And how did you make the jump into rail?
I was looking for a new opportunity, and it was the same time Cross River Rail design was kicking off. So I applied, and here I am.
Sounds like you were ready to get out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. All right, tell me, what's on the horizon for you?
Commissioning on Cross River Rail, and then jumping into the next project.
Okay. How about your team? Do you like them?
Yeah, we've got a great team. Lots of different backgrounds, so it keeps it interesting.
Okay, what are some of the other disciplines that you work with?
Civil and structural engineers, electrical engineers, and architects.
That's quite a lot. Okay. Is this what the final stations are going to look like?
It's a bit of a sneak peek into what one of the stations might look like.
Okay. All right, last question from me. What advice would you give your 20-year-old self?
Don't be afraid to ask the questions. It's never too early to build connections, and take lots of notes.
Great advice. All right, well, thanks for showing us around.
No worries. Thanks, Jake.
Bye, Amanda.